Deep in the heart of the Ethiopian highlands at dawn lies the cradle of ancient wisdom, the Gadaa System, rooted beneath the sacred Oda tree. Elders gather to guide the community through peaceful dialogue and shared understanding. Peace here is sought for a moral code maintaining harmony between the Creator, humanity, and the natural world. Kabaya manga, due to the deep respect for elders, binds the generations together, preserving the social fabric of the Oromo people. Through self-reliance and hard work, the community thrives, transforming the fertile earth into a source of collective strength. Takamafi Walga Garsa unity and mutual aid ensure that every hand helps another, creating an unbreakable bond of cooperation. Truth and transparency, Juga Fia Manamuma, are the pillars of every assembly, ensuring justice and integrity for all. Kanyunsa Umama teaches that the environment is sacred. We are the guardians of the groves and the wild. In the purity of the water, we find the reflection of our duty to protect nature for those who follow. The legacy of Gadaa is a path toward Nagafiarara universal peace and reconciliation for a motor. And world, embrace the wisdom of the Oromo. Let the spirit of Naga guide our journey toward a more harmonious future.